At the outset of the presentation, I told you that this year marks our 20th anniversary. For 20 years, when the phone has rung, the Transportation Safety Board of Canada has answered. No matter whether the accident was on our waterways, along our pipelines, or railways, or in our skies, we have responded. We have reported our findings to Canadians and have always made clear what needs to be done to make the system safer. The creation of the Transportation Safety Board was an investment in Canada's future, an investment in the infrastructure critical to our country's economic and social health. And this investment has paid dividends for Canadians by making all of us safer as we move ourselves and our goods across this country and around the world. Canadians can be proud of the board's innovative work that has made Canada a global leader in independent accident investigation. Now, as we enter our third decade, we look back on 20 years of success, much of which has been instrumental in changing operating practices, equipment, and the laws that underpin the transportation industry. In closing, at the Transportation Safety Board of Canada, we are pleased with how the lessons learned from the thousands of accidents we have investigated have made transportation safer. However, the board knows from hard experience that if a persistent problem is not addressed, there will be another accident. Airlines, ferries, railways, we're talking about tens of millions of trips annually. We need to tackle the 9 tough issues on our watch list now to make the system safer. Our watch list provides a blueprint for a safer transportation system, and that is our goal. Je vous remercie de m'avoir accordé votre temps et cède maintenant la parole à John Cottrell, votre modérateur. I thank you for your time, and I'm going to turn the presentation now back to John Cottrell, who will serve as our moderator.
Merci, Madame President. Thank you, Madam Chair. We'll have a brief question and answer period. Please use the microphones so we can record everything. Nous allons commencer la période de questions et réponses. S'il vous plaît, utilisez le microphone. First question.
Peter Goodrich from Sun Media. So, just so I understand that the watch list, what is it, aside from recognizing that these are problems, what do you guys going to do about it? Was the watch list meeting and activate some resources to pay special attention to these areas? Are you asking government to do something? Give us a sense of what's actually going to happen as a result of this.
Madam Chair.
The watch list is a means of focusing on the 9 most critical issues we see in transportation safety. They are the issues that have arisen in investigation after investigation. And it is our position that it's time for industry and government to work together to tackle these 9 critical safety issues.
Does that mean, from your perspective, the Transportation Safety Board, does it mean you do anything, do you have any people paying particular attention to these areas? Or are you asking, say, the rail industry, look, watch, waves, stack cars, is that how it works?
Well, we will always be vigilant in all of our investigations. So if another investigation arises where we see the same issue, we will point that out. These are issues that we have seen through our investigations over and over along the years.
So how will you be satisfied that people are actually watching what's on your watch list?
We want them to do more than just watch. We want more to be done with respect to these 9 critical safety issues. And as with all our recommendations, we track the response to those recommendations and we assess the response to those recommendations.
Will it require, for example, like the government to do anything to change the priority of regulations or industry to do anything?
Absolutely. And it depends on the issue in terms of exactly what the best fix is for the safety problem. In some situations, you require regulatory if you look at the issues on the watch list, they're all very complex issues. They're issues that we've seen time and again in our investigations. The solutions are not simple. So from the perspective of the Transportation Safety Board, what is required is a concerted effort between government and industry.
The answer to this question may seem self-evident, but I didn't hear your voice, and so I'd like to be able to get you saying it. You talked about the need for more information boxes. Well, what does that mean to the ordinary person? I mean, yeah, you get to investigate, but what will be the net benefit? I mean, a great investigation is great, but what will be the benefit to the Canadian public if you can do your job better with the boxes?
Madam Chair.
The benefit is that from each and every one of our investigations, there are lessons learned, critical safety lessons, and we figure out through these investigations what needs to be done to make the system safer. If you have objective information from a reporter, for instance, a data reporter, then you are better able to pinpoint what the problem is, and you're better able to make a stronger argument for what needs to be changed. There's also a downstream benefit in terms of being able to get at those safety lessons sooner.
Next question.
Hi, Alex Bickley from Canadian Sailors. A couple of railway questions, I guess, for Mr. Seymour. One on the level crossing issue. I can't imagine a safety issue that's had more attention in the last decade than that. I mean, there's all the ads on television, you know, marking the freight cars so they'll show up at night and stuff like that. And they continue on. And it's just a matter of identifying the high-risk crossings, I think, which now have all sorts of lights and stuff on them, or are people just not paying attention? And the other one is on the longer freight trains. And there was a lot of to-do after the Mississauga derailment, that was a quarter century ago, about marshalling trains. So have we done nothing to improve that since then, especially as the trains got longer?
Member Seymour.
These two issues appear on our watch list because they're ongoing. There are issues which we see time and time again. Undoubtedly, the railways and Transport Canada have taken certain steps to address them. With respect to railway crossings, we've seen ongoing accidents. I think the number was quoted earlier on. I think it's 1 every 2 weeks, I believe it is. And after all, when a motor vehicle meets a 10,000-ton train, it's not exactly a fender bender. But when a 40-ton truck meets a small passenger train traveling at 90 miles an hour, the risk and the consequences are very significant indeed. I believe in our data package there is a mention of the number of crossings which have active signal, and I think it's 1/3 to signal 1/3. So the issue really comes down to have all of those crossings been adequately identified? Have the issues which are associated with each crossing been looked at appropriately? Have the measures been taken? They're very serious issues and need to be addressed properly, and that's why both of these are on the watch list, to remain on the watch list. And it's really the